Good morning, students. Last period we took information about a Bhakti movement. Today we are going to learn some sons information. They continued the Bhakti movement. The first important sant is Sant Kabir. Sant Kabir is a well-known sant in a Bhakti movement. He did not attach any importance to the places of pilgrimage or idol worship. For him, truth is God. Yes, for him, truth is God. He taught that all humans are equal. He did not believe any differences based on caste, creed, sex, or religion. He wanted to bring Hindu Muslim unity. Yes, what he want? He want to bring Hindu Muslim unity in a society. The next important sant is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He gave importance to the Krishna Bhakti. He belonged from Bengal. Due to his teaching, many people joined the Bhakti movement. Under his influence, Shankar Dev spread Bhakti movement in Assam. Where the Shankar Dev spread the Bhakti movement? Yes, Shankar Dev spread Bhakti movement in a Assam. The next important sant in a Bhakti movement is Narsi Mehta. He was well-known sant in a Gujarat. He was a devotee of Lord Krishna. He gave message of equality. He was known as the first poet of Gujarati language. The question based on this point, who known as a first poet of a Gujarati language? And the answer is Narsi Mehta. Narsi Mehta was a well-known sant in a Gujarat. He was a devotee of Lord Krishna and he gave message of equality and he was known as a first poet of Gujarati language. The next one important sant is Sant Mirabai. Sant Mirabai gave importance to Krishna Bhakti. She belonged from a royal family of Mewad. She gave up all pleasure of a royal family. She composed many devotional verses in a Rajasthani and a Gujarati language. Her verses gave message of devotion and humanity. Yes, who belongs from a royal family of Mewad or which sant belong from the royal family? And answer is Sant Mirabai. Sant Mirabai gave importance to the Krishna Bhakti and she belonged from a royal family. Understood this? And the next important sant is Sant Surdasa. Yes, Sant Surdasa is a great poet of a Hindi language. Yes, Sant Surdasa was a important sant in a Hindi language. He composed a book on a Krishna Bhakti named Sur Sagar. The name of book and writer is very important. Sant Surdasa, a great sant in a Hindi language, he composed a book on a Krishna Bhakti named Sur Sagar. Yes, name of book is Sur Sagar. Another sant in a Bhakti movement is Tulsidasa. Tulsidasa wrote Ramcharit Manas. Yes, the composition on a Lord Rama. Yes, the sant name is Tulsidasa and his composition name is Ramcharit Manas. The another important sant in a Bhakti movement is Mahatma Bashveshwar. Yes, he spread a Lingayat stream of a he spread a Lingayat stream of thoughts in Karnataka. He opposed the caste system. He stressed of a dignity of a labor. He taught Kai Kave Kailas means work is God or work is Kailas, or in a easy way we can say work is worship. He gave importance to the equality of men and women in a society. He gave chance to the woman in participation in a religious discussions. He conducted the religious discussions in a hall named Anubhav Mantap. Yes, the name of hall is Anubhav Mantap. He worked his work have great impact on a society. His followers wrote many verses in a Marathi or Kannadi languages. One of his followers named Manmat Swami wrote a important book named Param Rahasya in Marathi language. Yes, name of follower as well as the name of book is very important. He wrote his book in a Marathi language. The name of follower is Manmat Swami and his book name is Param Rahasya. Many another sons like Pampa Purandar Das wrote many books or the verses in a Karnataki language or in a Kannadi language. So the work of Mahatma Bashveshwar also very important. Today we learn some information about a different sons in a bhakti movement like Sant Kabir, Mirabai, Mahatma Bashveshwar, Surdasa, etc. They taught humanity, love to God, compassion, or work is worship to us. Their teaching have or had great impact on a society. In a next period, we will learn some information about Mahanubhav Panth and Sikhism. Thank you.